We've all been here. Opening up a ton of apps, switching between multiple tabs, drowning in pages, emails, and comments, draining time trying to find the one piece of information we actually need to complete a task. Our teams are frustrated, documentation isn't providing value. That's where Rovo Studio comes in. It helps your team work smarter by drawing together information across Atlassian apps and connected sources to quickly find the right knowledge, understand what it means, and take the next step. So, what does this actually look like? Let's say you want to analyze your customer interviews to pull out requests, next steps, risks, and more. In simple language, build an agent. Select the knowledge sources you'd like it to pull from. You can even assign actions. Instead of hunting through transcripts and emails, waiting for other departments to respond, you get a clear, actionable summary in minutes, saving 3 to 4 hours per interview batch. That's smarter self-service. Your team just brainstormed an upcoming marketing initiative. You've got ideas, meeting summaries, research, and a plan captured across pages. You ask the out-of-the-box agent, create a drip email campaign, and it turns your ideas into an editable, shareable diagram in Confluence whiteboards. No extra tools or delay. That's what actions look like with Rovo. Next up, we'll explore how to identify good opportunities for agents, how to write strong, focused instructions, and how to roll out Rovo agents effectively to your teams.